In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the address on your QuickBooks Invoices. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process, ensuring that your business mail gets sent to the correct location while keeping your invoices up to date. First, you'll want to navigate to QuickBooks. Whether you already have an account or not will determine your first move. If this is your first time using QuickBooks, take a moment to sign up. Creating an account is simple and quick and will give you access to a range of features designed to help you manage your business finances more effectively. For those of you who already have an account, you can simply click on the Sign In option for QuickBooks Online. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Next, you'll see a prompt to enter your account. Go ahead and click on it, then continue by selecting the Enter Password prompt. After entering your password, click Continue. Once done, you'll be asked to choose the company file you wish to work on. This allows QuickBooks to display the correct information for the specific business whose invoices you're looking to update. Having selected the correct company file, head back to QuickBooks, then click on Settings. This is where you'll find the Account and Settings option. Click on it to access your company details. In the left menu, look for the Company section and navigate to it. Here, you'll want to locate the Company Name section. You should see an edit icon next to it. You'll click this icon to proceed with updating your address. Once the editing window opens, you'll spot the fields for your company address and update the address to your new location. There's also an option to check a box if you'd like this address to appear on any customer-facing forms, offering a consistent appearance across your business stationery. After entering the new address, click Save. Ensure all the details are correct before clicking Done to finalize the updates. If you need to update the customer billing or shipping address as well, go back to the main navigation and click on Sales Customers. Once there, find the customer whose details you need to change. Click on View/Edit, then select Edit once more to adjust the billing and shipping addresses. Once you've entered the correct details, press Save to complete the changes. There you have it. Your QuickBooks invoices and customer addresses are now updated with the correct information. If you followed along, any new invoices you generate will automatically display your updated company address. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful QuickBooks tips and tutorials.